Hello people off the internet. But the first of 24 hours in Glencar. Dinner is on. Got a beef casserole going. I decided to use the rear of the van. I have a cooker inside, you see me install it. Today we're going to chill out in Glencar. We'll take you up to the waterfall probably tomorrow. It's a bit blowy and windy, so we're just gonna hunker down this evening, partake in a few sociables. We intended to come down yesterday, however our dog decided to have other plans. What happened was we let them out for a pee and he ran out. It was pitch black where we decided to take them, and he peed and he buggered off. And then we found out he went into a nearby shop, peed on everything, and then a local picked him up and said they would make some posters and bring them back to the shop in the morning. I got a phone call at 6 o'clock because I left my number at the shop. I got a phone call at 6 o'clock in the morning from a very drunk person who said something about a garage and didn't give me any further details, and that was it. And then I've been fretting for hours, and then we went back to the shop and we stayed at the shop for about 4 hours, sitting out there in the back in the van. And the staff there in Donegal were absolutely fantastic, and they put a post out on Facebook, and within 10 minutes we had our dog back. The guy had just took the dog last night and hoofed him out in the morning at 6 o'clock like he was an unwanted guest. So we got him. He was wandering the streets in Donegal, and a nice couple brought the dog in and says, "Have you lost the dog?" And we were like, "Yep."
This is the dog that ran away.
We let him out earlier and he buggered off again. It's like he doesn't like us. Drama. We have dinner on. It's taken a while using a camping stove. Anyway, that's enough for now. We'll take you up the waterfall tomorrow if the weather holds and give you a view, and we'll also, if you look on the map here, you can see where we're staying. I had intended to put the drone up, but it's getting a bit of wind on it and it'll probably just blow away and we'll lose the drone in the sea. We'll lose the drone in the loch. So see you in the morning. Vandalised the post about 5 or 6 years ago. D4K.
Not D and K.
Beautiful. Also beautiful.